It's that time of year again. It's time to plant some tomatoes. Of course, we're planting peppers and lots of other stuff too, but this is our first tomato tray. And in this tray, I have quite a few micros. I decided to experiment with different types of micros, trying to find one that maybe I can grow in the winter time that I like to eat. So I'm growing six different types. And what I know about them is, the only thing I know about them, since I've never grown any of them before, is what I read on the internet. And the first variety back in that far corner there, far left corner, on the upper side, is called Laura number 5. And that one, it produces red grape-shaped tomatoes, and it grows to about 8 to 12 inches. Then next we have one called Mohammed. It's a red cherry type, and it grows to about 8 inches tall. Then we have one, I probably butcher the pronunciation on some of these, but that one is Jocalis or Jocalos, and it grows to about 6 to 8 inches and produces yellow tomatoes. Then we have Vilma, which is right here. That one, it produces red fruit and grows to about 6 to 12 inches, depending on what website you look at. Then we have one called Monetka, and that one grows to about 8 to 10 inches tall and produces yellow tomatoes. Then we have a hybrid. It's the only hybrid that I'm growing. I think I got these from Park Seeds. I don't remember. I'm not sponsored by anybody at all for anything, so you can check them out if you want to. But this one is a hybrid that grows to about 12 to 18 inches tall, so that'd be the tallest one of all that I'm growing, and it produces red tomatoes. And then in this front row, the ones that are a little taller here, these are my tomato crosses that I did year before last. I grew the F1s last year. Now I'm growing the F2s. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of difference in the height of the seedlings. We have some of them that are this size, and then some that are really pretty small. And then we have a really tiny one there. And I crossed a dwarf that had variegated foliage with another dwarf, and the F1s were 5 feet tall, and I think these will probably be all over the board. I'm expecting some to be very short and some to be maybe about the height of the F1s. But one of the parents that I used for this cross only grows to about 2 to 3 feet tall, and the other one grows to about 4 feet tall for us. So the F1s were taller than either parent, and like I mentioned, these will probably be all over the board as far as height of the plant. And each individual plant will be a little different than the others. They're kind of like, it's kind of like human siblings. They may look a little alike, but they're different. So we'll have some that probably end up being pretty short dwarfs, and then some of them probably you won't be able to tell much different than from a indeterminate. But I'd like to keep, if possible, I'd like to choose ones that are 4 feet or less. And I'm thinking some of these shorter seedlings will probably be shorter adults too. And I have noticed just one of the seedlings that has just a tiny bit of variegation on it. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. I don't know if you'll even be able to see it or not. See, I think I got that in there. Just see a little tiny bit on this one leaf right there. That's a quick look at our first tomato seedlings. Let us know what you'll be growing this year as far as tomatoes. If you're just now finding this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.